guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if you are struggling to make a decision within your business or within your life, and perhaps you've done all the research, you've done the spreadsheets, you've written the pros and cons lists, but you're really still struggling, then there's some advice I can really give you, which has always served me really well and really helped me to grow and scale my business, but helped me in day-to-day life as well. And all you simply do is you just place your hands over your heart. You close your eyes and you breathe. So you just breathe in through the nose and out through the nose. And you just ask your heart, what is the right decision for me? And then pause for as long as you need to and listen to that answer. You have the answer within you. We all have the answers within us. And sometimes just be aware that the answer may be, I don't know. And that's okay. So what you do in that situation is you surrender, you let go, you take yourself away, you do something which really lights you up, which really serves you, which really gives you that creative space, which makes you feel completely relaxed. You then come back, you do this again, you place the hands over the heart, you breathe deeply, and you ask yourself the question again, and often the answer will come. Sometimes it's days later, sometimes hours later, sometimes it'll be weeks later. But just know when you surrender, you let go, you give yourself that time and space, and you open your heart, you will know the answer. I hope that helps you.